we have the 5-inch screen with if we look behind, we can see the Pi Zero with our small 10cm HDMI cable going into the mini HDMI of the Pi Zero, then with this angled USB that at this point goes into this small USB power point. But yeah, so the plan is for this to go into there. Okay, so we have our 5-inch screen in our Pi Zero. You might be able to just see the cable management behind, so I don't want to see it from the front too much. Then you can see here it goes into that USB header. That's just the USB card going into a PCI slot. And if all is well, this should start booting up and then start showing the ModBros, which I can't take credit for this, I just found it and I'm using their software to reduce the amount of cables that I need to be able to show this within the system without having to run an additional HDMI and having that HDMI cable spit out and have an additional desktop to have to deal with. This way it's an actual device. It's all pretty well self-contained. It's powered, everything is powered by that one USB. And there we have it. So that one single USB cable that's plugged into that header that you can see on that PCI card is powering both the Pi Zero as well as the 5-inch screen. I've lined it up so that it looks apart and you can't really see. I guess you can see that angled USB, but not too much. You can see my iPhone as well in the glare. But yeah, pretty happy with that.